Here's the second video in the MBBS series where I talk about resources to use during MBBS and tips to do well in MBBS. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Swami. Welcome back to my channel. Before I start this video, are you enjoying this MBBS series? Is it helping you even a little bit? Let me know in the comment section so that I can plan further videos in this series. In today's video, I'll share the resources that you should use in your second year to build your concepts as well as do well in the PG entrance examination. Second year is a long duration of time. Unlike first year when you have to finish 3 subjects in less than 1 year, around 10 months. For second year you have 1.5 years to read 3 plus 1 subject. So you have the gift of time. But at the same time, second year subjects form a huge support system for studying medicine. So you have to really understand them well and retain them for a longer period of time. Now there are 3 big subjects in third year: pathology, pharmacology and microbiology, and one relatively smaller subject, forensic medicine. Apart from this, you have to start reading community medicine in this year, even though the exam will be in third year, and start attending clinical postings. So it's important that you manage your time during second year well. Let's talk about the resources for each subject one by one. The first subject I want to talk about is pathology. And there's only one book that everyone should read in pathology, that's Robbins. I can just end the section on pathology here only. That's it. Only one book, Robbins. Robbins has 2 volumes. The first volume talks about general pathology and hematology, and in the second volume, it talks about systemic pathology. This is one book that I think you should pick up even if you're starting your PG preparation during internship. The boxes in Robbins are picked up in INICT as well as NEET PG as it is. The images are copied in the question paper as it is. There's just no replacement for this book. Even though this seems like a very daunting book to read, it's actually an easy read if you get the hang of it. There are 3 review books for pathology: Sparsh Gupta, Devesh Mishra and Praveen Gupta. I had bought Praveen Gupta but I didn't use it. It's brand new. You can try using these review books for revision, but please these are not replacements for Robbins. If you need some video resource, you can try Pathoma. I have heard it's good. I personally haven't tried it because Robbins is a one in all package. That's it. Read Robbins for pathology, period. For pharmacology, KDT is a really good book. Even though it's an Indian author book, it's well written and it's good for memorizing the drugs. Another great book for pharmacology is Katzung. It's a very heavy read, and if you're reading this, then you have to make notes because this is not a revision resource. I used it only to read the central nervous system, autonomic nervous system and the cardiovascular system. KDT is good for reading the antimicrobials part and the general pharmacology, as well as other smaller units like RESP, endocrine, GI, etc. For review purposes, I used GRG review book of pharmacology. This can be used for revision purposes. Coming to microbiology, it's a huge subject. In terms of video resources, Sketchy Micro is a good option, especially if you are a visual learner. But in Indian setting, you need more information on each microbe. So you can start each microorganism by watching the video, but then you have to read the topic from some book. For bacteriology, Anantanarayan and Panikkar is a good option. It's well written and it's a good book for your professional examination. For microbiology, I feel Indian authors do better than foreign authors because we get to see more infectious diseases than the first world. For parasitology, I had used Apurva Shastri's book. I had xeroxed it from one of my friends. For mycology and virology, I had used class notes from our college and I didn't read any book for these topics, so I don't know what are the good resources available for these. But you can give Anantanarayan and Panikkar a try. And lastly, coming to forensic medicine and toxicology, we had good teachers in college. I had made notes in class and that's what I used for studying forensic medicine. I had bought 2 books, Vishwas and Pillai, but I didn't use any of these. Notes were sufficient in FMT for me. This much for today's video. Hope it helps you to choose resources to use during second year. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the content or the effort. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out the video for books on third year and fourth year. I'll upload that video next Sunday at 11 am. Thanks for watching today's content and have a nice day ahead.